Hi everyone, today we're going to be starting a video series called Macbook Basics. So the idea is to help people who are having a little bit of trouble transitioning from their PC to their MacBook, and so we're going to do very short videos focusing on one specific thing at a time. So today we're going to be doing simple screen grabs or screenshots and how to edit those very basically in Preview. So nothing too deep, nothing too hard, but there are some very simple shortcuts, keyboard shortcut commands that can help you out quite a bit. So first thing I'm going to do is I'll just go to Safari and I'll go to our home page, chsd218.org, and I'm just going to grab a screenshot from here. So the easiest way to do this is with a keyboard shortcut. And it's a little bit more complex than the simple print screen or what you've been used to with PC. It is Command Shift, then the number 3, or Command Shift and the number 4. And there's two of those, and I'll get into them to why there's two in a second. So Command is the button right next to your spacebar. It's got that kind of squiggly square shape thing. And so if I type Command Shift 3, it will take a screenshot of my entire screen. So if I minimize this, it's going to save the screenshot right to your desktop. So here is my screenshot of our website. All right, so that's Command Shift 3. It's going to take a shot of your entire screen. The other one I could do is, let me pull up the website again, Command Shift 4. So if I do Command Shift 4, my cursor now has turned into crosshairs. So if I don't want the whole screen, let's say I just want part of it. Let's say I just want the CHSD218 logo. I can do Command Shift 4, my cursor is going to turn into crosshairs, and I just drag it over the area I want, and then when I release my mouse click, it's going to take that screenshot. So if I minimize this, we can see now on my desktop, here's a screenshot of the CHSD218 logo. All right, now I said there's some simple markups or some simple changes you can make in Preview. This is Preview. Whenever I open a screenshot, it opens it right up in Preview, and I know because it says Preview in the upper left-hand corner. And if I click this pen icon, that's going to open up my markup tools. And there's a whole bunch of markup tools that you can kind of play around with. A really nice one is the signature feature. This is where you can add signatures to, let's say, PDFs or something digitally. You don't have to print it off, sign it, scan it back in. But there's a whole bunch of these shapes I can add or lines. You can play around with the colors and the opacity, so if you want it fully opaque or just highlighted, things like that. But as soon as I'm done, if I just close it, whatever changes I make will automatically save, and they'll save to my desktop in the screenshots. So I could then just send this out or what have you. So it's a nice quick way to take a screenshot and edit it. So again, that's Command Shift 3 for full screen, Command Shift 4 for a section of the screen that you want to take. All right, thank you, bye.